So it is a wrong program now, right or not? So next, run this program now. YES, one capital letter, one small, two small letters. Again, go to home. This is called a subject. When you are going something, you have to think so many lines. This is nothing but let the user enters whatever the way he want. I will convert into what way? Small letter. For that, there is one function is available called what? Lower function. Lower is a function. This is present into str2. Already we covered str part 1 with what? 5 syntaxes I covered or not? Indexing, under slicing, 5 syntaxes. Very soon, str part 2 will be covered. Part 2 will be covered. str part 2 I will explain. Are you following? Very soon I will explain str part 2. Maybe in tomorrow class only I will explain in Sunday special, that is Sunday I will explain str part 2 I will explain so that I can use it in my present program or not. Tomorrow I will explain str part 2. Whatever I am discussing today is completed. Tomorrow I will explain str part 2. Are you following me? So that I can use str part 2 concept also in my present program. And this continuation class I will cover on Tuesday part. Are you getting my students? So today I am using lower of. Please run this code. Now say what is this? Yes. No problem. Capital S is converted into what? Lower. Lower is equal to lower S. It is true. And what is an answer? Getting the answer or not? Now you say something like this. Capital YES. No problem. Again, same thing. You say next what? Small y. Small y. ES capital. You see that this is also going to get like this. Are you able to follow my concept now? So right now, you don't worry about the lower. After I explain, you try to understand. Are you following, students? No. Is it clear? Now coming to my point here. Now I am coming to where? Our coding, which is dictated to the question or not? Online students. Aditya, are you following, student? Aditya, you felt that little speed. Are you following me? Aditya, are you there? Aditya. So, Aditya, maybe is busy in snacks taking, I think so. Okay. Maybe. Okay. Now coming to the point. How many values I have to take? Just read the question. 2 values. Come on, read. Int of, input of, enter first value. Enter first value. Second, next, B is equal to enter input of, enter second value. Enter what value? Second value. Okay, done. Done. 2 values are ready. Now I need to decide which one is a bigger, which one is a bigger. A is bigger, B is bigger. I want to write it. How many results? 2 results. Now first write the condition for A bigger. Come on, everybody. If A greater than B. What I forget. What is the symbol? Colon. Colon is called what? Good. Now I will write what? Print of big of 1 minute more. Big of this part. I will say A value, B value is equal to bigger value. Come on, what is this now? A comma B comma. Come on. A only. Because A is the bigger now. Are you following me? Very good. B, hold on. Now, what is the value of A? Please hold on. A is what? 10. What is the B value now? 5. Online students, B in the online. Come on, 10 greater than 5. True. True means which line will execute? 6th line. First of all, I'll tell you. First program come to which line? 3rd line. Next which line? 4th line. 4th line to which line? 5th line. 5th line condition is what? True. True means which line will execute? Indentation block. What is the indentation block? 6th line. After the 6th line, going to where? I'm pressing enter. I'm pressing backspace. Go to which line? 7th line. In 7th line, what I will write? You see 50. Now I'm writing 50. Please be careful. 10 greater than 50. Which line it will go? Seventh line. In seventh line, what I will write as an other statement? B bigger condition I will write it. What condition I'll write? Tell me. If good, B greater than A. What a beautiful logic. Come on, ma. Print of big of A value, comma, B value is equal to bigger value. Format of A, comma, B, comma, B. B. That's all. After that, going to where? Ninth. What is the ninth now? Other statement in the program. I may write, I may not write. Writing other statement is optional. If you want program execution completed, just I wrote for your understand things. Ashwin, don't worry, ma. This is we are not writing. I will explain this concept. I will explain very shortly in the concept of what? Variable arguments concept. Ashwin, I will explain, ma. Somebody asked earlier. I will explain. Where I will explain, please watch it once because the tension is there for the student. So what is that arcs? Ashwin, 1 minute you see. Quickly I will show you. The concept is called what? Variable arguments concept. Variable length arguments concept. There is one concept is there. In the functions I am going to explain. Star parameter concept I am explaining. Are you looking at my? I will explain. Examples also I will explain. So many examples are there. Pure variable length arguments concept. So many examples I am going to explain right now. Don't worry. I will show you that. Please see this now. Ashwin, here you see star A. I will explain star A, star A. I will explain. Don't worry. Okay, na? I will take care of that. Right now, don't worry. Okay, Ashwin. Now I will move to the further. Now, come to the point of it. Now, dear students, once again, I want to make it because if you follow my guidelines of this entire Python, you will become diamond. That's what I'm saying. Even now also I'm saying my Python content and IIT, whatever the IITs are there, you download that content, both the content you compare it and daily observe my notes and observe that content. You feel that when I teach more than everybody, then you accept me and tell to the friends. Every institute, even in this institute also, other batches also, you observe it. I will make you. That is my selfishness of my students want to make it good. That is my intention actually. Okay, now that's why I'll teach like anything, right? Please utilize my sessions now. Shall we continue now? Start. First, I will tell the flow also. Start. Which line it is going first? Let us run. Start. What is this now? See the output and then coding. What is the value I'm entering? 10. Coming to which line? 5. Now go to which line? Fifth line. What is the value of A greater than B? 10 greater than 5. True. Which line it is going? Very good. What is the answer printed, ma? Big of 10 comma 5 is equal to 10. After that, where it is going? Seventh line. After the indentation, it is going to seventh line. What is the seventh line? B greater than A. And 5 greater than 10. False. Where it is going? Come on. Beautiful. Ninth line. See how you are understanding that? Are you following? Once again, for my satisfaction, everybody, online students, which lines first executing? 3 and 4. What is the value of A? 10. What is the value of B? Right. Go to which line? Fifth line. Fifth line condition is true. True means which line? Sixth line is an indentation of fifth line or not? Sixth line executed. After the sixth line executed, coming out of the indentation and execute other statements or not? In other statement, what is there? Seventh line. Seventh line condition is what? False means going to the other statement or not? In other statement, which line? Ninth line. That is an output is coming. See, my dear students, this is the coding. 10 and 5. Program execution completed. Getting or not? Yes. Now execute next one. Next one. Come on now. 10 and next what? 50. Which lines executed now? 3, 4. Which line? Everybody. Fifth line. 3, 4 executed. Which line going? Fifth line. Fifth line is good. Beautiful. False. Going to which line? Super. Seventh line. Seventh line is what? True. True means which line? Good. Eighth line. What is an answer? Big of 10 comma 50 is equal to 50. Where it is going now? Ninth line. Is it understandable? How you know these lines? Because of a if else concept. If concept is you already understood or not? Yes. See that now? Getting or not? Yes. This is called the way of finding the flow. Once you know this flow now, subject is easy to understand. Understand or not? So if you become a doctor of something general physician, you need to know what is happening in each organ, correct or not? Like that Python doctor need to know what each statement, what is happening. You need to know that. Correct or not, students? Now I will add one more thing. What is the thing here? I want to check for the equality also. Shall I write the equality? Oh, tell me equality. Now you are understanding. How many results I want? Three. Three results means three conditions. Three if statements I will write it. A greater than B condition, B greater than A condition. Which one is not there? A equal to B condition is not there. Where can I write it? Which line I have to write it? Beautiful. Tell me, students, if A double equal to B, I forget. Indentation. Indentation colon. Tell me, students, both the values are equal. What a beautiful statements. Are you following? Start. Now start. Be careful. There is no tension at all. Happy. Now I will enter the things. Take care. Slowly I will start giving it. What is the value I am entering? 10. And also what? 10. Which lines completed execution? 3, 4. Go to which line? Fifth line. Everybody students, fifth line. Fifth line. Fifth line is what? False. Good. Go to which line? Very good. Seventh line. Seventh line is what? Beautiful. False. Go to which line? Ninth line is what? True. What is an output? Which line? Tenth line. Tenth line is what? Both the values are equal. That is an indentation completed. Go to where? 11th line. That is the other statement in the program. Are you understanding or not? Yes. See the answer now. Both values are equal. Execution is completed. Last and final, for my satisfaction, I will say 10, 100 and what? 50. Which lines? Which lines completed? Which lines completed? 3, 4. Which line it goes? Fifth line. Fifth line is true. Which line executed? Sixth line. Next go to seventh line. Seventh line is false. Go to which line? Ninth line is what? False. Go to which line? Beautiful. Super. Simply super. That's all. Do you know already in 6 o'clock, 10 minutes? No. Do you know in C language like this? No. What is happening? Which statement is executing? You don't know. Now let us run this. Last and final. This is what? 100 and what? 200. Quickly. Which line? Fifth line. Fifth line is false. Go to seventh line. Seventh line is true. Execute. Eighth line. Go to ninth line. Ninth line is false. False means go to super. Super. That's all. Did you understand? When you are going to bed, if you close your eyes, what should be visible? This should be visible. Flowchart, program. If you close your eyes, only dark is there means you are something different candidate. Different candidate. So I hope you are understanding. Shall we write next? Open the notes. Write a Python program. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will accept any numerical value, which will accept any numerical value and decide whether it is positive or negative or zero. Decide whether it is positive or negative or zero by using simple if statement. Actually, you can write it, but I want to make you to tell the code in the class. Actually, you can do it, but I want to make you to tell the code in the class. Shall we write it? Online students. Now I will go to this place. Now see students. What is this now? Simple if statement. If statement. So simple if statement example2.py. 2.py. Tell me now quickly. N is equal to int of or float of whatever it is. Float of input of enter any number. Enter any number. Online students. I'm appreciating to the people who are interacting with me. Please continue that. Come on now. If how many if statements you are writing? 3. One is greater than 0, less than 0, equal to 0. Good. Continue. N greater than 0. N greater than good. Print is what? Positive. Is what? Positive. Is positive. Is positive. Okay. Dot format of what? N. Nice. Come on, next please. Press backspace. Press what? Backspace. You have to tell that also. Next, if n less than 0, can I write in n is equal to 0? Yes, no problem. No problem. Indentation symbol. Press what? Is what? Is what? 0. Dot format of what? Good. N. N. Close. Now press backspace. If n less than 0, less than 0, colon, print of what? Is negative. Dot format of, yes, beautiful. That's all. No need to write in other statement. Is it necessary? No need. If I have really task to do it, I will do it. Okay, students? Right. Let us start now. Run. Tell me the code, please, all of you. Enter the number 12. Which line? Second line. Go to. Beautiful. Third line. Third line is true. Execute. Fourth line. Fourth line is what is the result? 12 is positive. After that, go to which line? Fifth line. Fifth line is false. Go to seventh line is false. Go to ninth line. Ninth line. Ninth line, nothing is there. Program stops. So 12 is what? Positive. Positive. 12.0 because I used a float now. Right. Next, please. Now I am entering minus 1.2. 1.2. Second line executed. Third line. False. Go to fifth line. Good. Go to seventh line. True. What is an answer? Minus 1.2 is negative. Next is what? Ninth line. No more statement. It is going to stop. Minus 1.2 is negative. Did you understand? Well, last and final. Last and final. I say what? 0. Line number. Second. Next. 3. 3 is false. Go to fifth line. Fifth line is true. Execute. Sixth line. Beautiful. Go to seventh line. Seventh line is false. Out. 0 is 0. Understand? If you continue like that, the internal flow of that, it's a beautiful. Data reading, you see, operators, you see, they are executing the statements consecutively or not. But here we are taking the decision making. This is called one-time operations only doing. I hope you are getting it. So I will go for it. Shiva. So Shiva is asking one question. What is that? Shiva is asking one question. I will try to take the Shiva question here. Once I will keep it. So here Shiva is asking, sir, if PVM find one statement true, will it check the rest of the statements also? Now, student, in this case of if statement, I am going to, the execution behavior is, once this is true, it will come to this place, other statement. If we go to if else, if we go to if, elif, etc., I am going to tell you that. Shiva, further, when I go to the if, elif, else statement, I am going to tell you the further things. Okay, right now, don't worry. Because I am in the beginning only now. I will go to the if else. I will tell you why I am going for if else statement. What is the problem with the simple if? Why I am going for if else? I will tell you why I am going for if else. I will tell you the limitations of everything. Understand, students? Shiva, I will tell you everything for you. Are you okay now? So now I'll stop the class. Tomorrow, what is the class? 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. What is the topic? STR part 2. STR part 2. Archana, sir, please tell how to write star arcs. Archana, don't write star arcs, ma. Automatically it will come. Archana, automatically, if we write only one value, star will not come. You don't write star. Star will come automatically from system time only. You need not to write a star. Automatically it will come. Archana, once again I am saying. Tomorrow, 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. ST